Chris Dovrowski, we last interviewed you back in 2019, where you spoke about three different types of products, E-Fluids, low temperature and low friction transmission oils, the electric liquids for direct cell cooling, and high-speed bearing greases. Since then, how was the technology changed or evolved?
Sure, that's a good question. So since 2019, a lot of things have happened. We have been put a lot of effort into developing a new grease product, for example, which is specifically designed to prevent any damages in electric motor bearings. We have been also working on more low viscous transmission fluids for higher efficiency, while reducing, for example, sulfur content for better compatibility with electrical components. And on the other side, regarding the thermal management products, you might have noticed we have a strategic collaboration with a technology leading company in that space called Kreisel Electric in Austria, where we really demonstrated how our fluid performs really well in very serious near hardware in order to be ready for mass market applications.
How important is Shell's partnership with Nissan in Formula E and the close collaboration with their engineers in the development and testing of bespoke transmissions fluids for EVs? And has this product been introduced to Nissan Formula E Gen2 powertrain?
Yeah, so the relationship with Nissan is really important one for this whole development process. The engineers are in very close contact, and Formula E is giving us a good opportunity for testing our products before we are commercializing any technology under much more severe conditions, operating conditions. So therefore Nissan is helping us a lot to identify challenges which might come up with certain prototype products, and there's a really good collaboration ongoing with regards to new technologies, and especially also with regards to experimenting with new components which we like to adjust according to the powertrain's need. In Gen 2 there was a clear driver to identify a most suitable technology for the Gen 2 powertrain at that time, which is mostly reliable and works very sufficient for the powertrain needs. I can imagine that in the future there is room to further optimize this, especially if with regards to Gen 3 powertrain, if you look at efficiency, for example. So we are continuously working on that one.
Can you specifically explain how the Shell transmission fluid used in Nissan's Gen 2 powertrain improved performance for the team?
Yes, so as mentioned, in Gen 2 powertrain, the ultimate goal was to identify technology which is in the first instance reliably working in the powertrain. It was the first time for us at that stage to develop such a product for the Nissan powertrain, and you have to remember that each powertrain is an individual setup, so you really need to tailor-make this product. So for Gen 2 in Season 7 it was really important for us to get a reliable product to be used in the car. Now for the future, certainly there's a lot of room where the two teams are working together to optimize this further.